Welcome to 550 Lynam Road in Sumter, South Carolina. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,667 square foot home. Huge great room as you open up the front door with fireplace. Nice solid wood bifold doors separating your living room area from your dining room. And from the dining room, we walk directly into the kitchen with this beautiful bay window, laundry area just inside from the carport. All new carpet has been installed in this beautiful great room. Lots of natural light due to the large windows throughout this home. Once again, all new carpet installed in this first bedroom. Here's bedroom number 2. Both of these bedrooms are approximately 11 by 11. Master bedroom here is 13.6 by 13.1. Does have double closets, as you will see a closet there in front of you and then also behind the bedroom door. Full tile shower in the bathroom, single sink, and of course a toilet. This home is close to Sumter High and a lot of the new eating places here in town. As we go out the back door, we have a huge patio out back, totally fenced in backyard, landscaped with magnolia trees in the backyard as well as azaleas and a few rose bushes. 10 by 10 storage shed will convey with the property as well. If you'd like to schedule a showing for this property, give me a call. My number here is 803-840-3915.